Yeah. If you a rider, you a snitch, you shouldn't listen to this. And you ain't talking Pittsburgh if you don't mention the Prince. I'm sick with the spit. You pissed, I get chips for this shit. It's for my homies that be OT, whip full of bricks. I'm on another level, dudes gotta catch up to my rhyme. Ahead of my time, I'm a threat to you guys. Why? I'm still a student, yet I'm fluent with my lines. The best of that good shit, professional hood shit. Bill Gates cake, I won't settle for hood rich and fresh, cause we don't sound like the rest of that bullshit. My team hustle, no days off, and weighs so much salt that you might have to take a snow day off. And you ain't coming close to mine if the cops bring the snitch about you. Me on my worst day is what you pricks amount to. Talk slick like your life, we can't get about you. And have dirt on him like I knew some shit about you. See, Wiz Khalifa's like a teacher, I can show you how to. A split for reefer got me somewhere high up in the mountains. You claim to be STARs, but like you're under 21, you can't fuck with my bars. Ask about me, the streets say I'm the youngest in charge. A pimp too, lead the club with a truck full of broads. And if it's on, then I'm crushing them all. You niggas probably right when you say that I ain't fucking with y'all, dog. I'm on a paper chase, moving units state to state, so I let the haters hate. Got a lot of cake to make. Money on the mind, moving at a greater pace. Hungry on the grind and I ain't eating off a paper plate. I need to find the things, came up on the rhyming game. Now they listen and take his picture in them designer frames. And it come with success, some niggas gotta hate. I see you playing with me, it's different, it's not a game. I'm moving heavy in the trenches. Best flow, back dough, with a knock any nigga senseless.